Are you having trouble claiming your YouTube reward button? Not to worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get around all the hoops so that way you can claim your button really quick. Let's go. Normally, claiming one of your YouTube reward buttons is pretty straightforward. Once YouTube has reviewed your account, making sure that you're in good standing, there's no copyright strikes, or you've broken any violations of the TOS or guidelines, after about 1 week, you will get a claim redemption code that'll be prompted either at the top of your YouTube page or within the tips section. Now, when I passed my milestone for getting my silver button, I expected to get my claim code within about 1 week. Unfortunately, a couple of weeks went by and I did a bunch of research, and apparently this is quite a common issue where a lot of people don't get their claim code and they kind of get lost in the shuffle. So allow me to show you how to claim your code or get one sent to you so that way you can claim your YouTube silver, gold, or diamond button out there. Now again, for any of this to work for you to get your claim code, you do have to make sure that you are in good standing with YouTube. Again, no violations, no strikes, no breaking of guidelines or TOS for this to actually work for you. If you haven't received your code in 2 to 3 weeks from when you've passed the milestone, the YouTube creator team allows you to reach out to them for extra help and support. Now, please note, be logged in under whatever account you use that's tied to your YouTube channel page. This will help expedite the process as they dive into your account. Currently, the YouTube creator team gives you 2 options to reach out to them, and they're both very good. You can do either a chat window or you can do email, whichever is easiest for you. I'm going to put a link in the description below that will take you to exactly where you need to go to reach out to the creator support team. All you have to do is pick the appropriate language to prompt up for a chat window or for their email address. When reaching out to YouTube creator support, they may need some additional pieces of information, so make sure you have the URL of your channel good and ready to go. You also might need your user ID and your channel ID of your YouTube channel. This can be easily found if you go under your account and go into settings and go into advanced settings. There you will see those that you can copy and paste into either the email or the chat. Those are very important pieces of information, as well as you may need to screen grab the fact that you did not get a claim code. This is generally for email. Now, if you reach out to YouTube creator support, I noticed on email, I heard back within about 2 to 3 business days. Within the YouTube chat, once I was in the queue and I was connected, I actually got really quick assistance and my code was able to be sent to me within the next few hours, which was really awesome. Now, when you get your claim code, all you have to do is copy, paste it, and go to the appropriate links that they'll either email to you or it'll take you through the prompts at the top of your YouTube channel. But if you're not sure where to go, again, I'll put links in the description below so that way you can click to it and paste in your reward claim code. In about 2 to 3 weeks after they've had a chance to process it, it'll be shipped out to you, and you will have your glorious reward button that you can use for whatever you want or hang wherever you desire. Now, I'm very excited I got to make this video for you because when I was researching on how to claim my code, there was nothing but horror stories I came across on how people never get it within weeks, months, years, or never got it at all. Now, I'm letting you know it's super easy. Just follow the steps that I mentioned and click in the links below, and trust me, you will get your reward claim code within a few days, and you'll get your reward button plaque in just a few weeks. Now, if you like this type of content and you find it very helpful and beneficial, there's a few things you can do. You can hit the like, share, and subscribe button down below, and you can always hit that notification bell so you know when my videos to help you with your content creations and live streaming go live, so that way you can become bigger and better. My name's Wild4Games, and thank you all for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. I will see you all next time in my next support video. Take care all, and peace!